First, lay out your two long side panels. Insert 8 cam lock screws into the pre-drilled holes along the inner edges. Make sure they are screwed in straight and tight. Now, let's get those drawers ready. Attach the 4 drawer runners to the bottom sections of the side panels using 8 screws, part 108462. Ensure the wheels are facing the front. Grab your bottom shelf and the vertical support beams. Insert 4 wooden dowels into the appropriate holes to act as guides for the next connection. Align the bottom shelf and vertical beams with one of the side panels. Drop in 4 cam locks and turn them clockwise with a screwdriver to lock everything together securely. Next, place the horizontal drawer dividers into position. Use 4 wooden dowels to stabilize them before we close the frame. Carefully lower the second long side panel onto the assembly. Line up all the dowels and screws perfectly. Lock the panel in place with 4 more cam locks. Then, screw the 4 plastic feet into the very bottom of the unit to keep it off the floor. It's time for the lid. Place the top panel onto the main frame, ensuring the 4 wooden dowels are properly seated in the holes. Use the provided hex key to tighten the 4 large bolts that hold the top panel in place. Make sure it's nice and snug. Flip the entire bookcase onto its face carefully. Use a pencil to mark a line across the center shelf. This helps you nail the back panel into the right spot. Slide the first large back panel into the grooves, making sure the finished side is facing the inside of the bookcase. Grab your hammer and the plastic nail guide. Hammer in the first nail at the top edge of the back panel to hold it in place. Now, secure the top left and right corners of the back panel with a nail each. This ensures the unit remains square while you finish nailing. Use your pencil again to trace the line along the horizontal divider on the back panel. This will be your guide for the remaining nails. Go ahead and hammer in the remaining 27 nails all around the perimeter and along your pencil lines to fully secure the back. Stand the bookcase upright. Decide on your shelf heights and push the 12 shelf support pins into the holes on the side panels. Slide the 3 adjustable shelves into the frame and rest them on the pins you just installed. Safety first. Attach the wall brackets to the top of the bookcase. You'll need to use hardware suitable for your specific wall type to prevent tip-overs. Let's build the drawers. For each drawer, screw 4 cam lock pins into the inner side of the drawer front panel. Push the drawer sides onto the drawer front using 4 wooden dowels to align them with the cam pins. Slide the drawer bottom panel into the grooves on the side and front pieces until it's fully seated. Place the drawer's back panel onto the assembly. Ensure the groove for the bottom panel lines up correctly. Use a hammer to tap in 4 long nails through the side panels and into the back panel of the drawer. Now turn the drawer around and tighten the 4 cam locks on the side panels to pull the front piece tight against the frame. Peel and stick the 2 small plastic pads to the bottom front corners of the drawer to help it slide smoothly and quietly. Flip the drawer over and align the drawer rails with the pre-drilled holes on the bottom edges. Secure the rails to the drawer body using 4 screws, part 108462. Repeat this for both sides of the drawer. At the back of the drawer rail, insert the small plastic wedge and screw it in to ensure the rail is completely fixed. From the inside of the drawer, push the 2 handle screws through the front and tighten the handle on the outside. The moment of truth. Tilt the drawers slightly to get the wheels onto the runners, then slide them all the way in. Your IKEA Brimnes bookcase is complete.